going to the festival. We're going to the festival.
We're going to the festival.
We're going to the festival.
Greetings, park hoppers.
We're at the festival. We're at the 2019 Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival. It's a lot of words. We're here to focus specifically on the flower and garden aspect.
Yep, we're going to check out the topiaries today and the butterfly garden.
And a couple of extras perhaps. Be sure to subscribe. Definitely click that notification bell for updates. And comment, like, and share. Let's go. You saw the first topiaries, the butterflies and flowers when you first come into the park, and then you pass Spaceship Earth, and back behind there is Daisy to greet you with a bunch of lovely stars and all of these beautiful flowers. There are lots of daisies here in the field, but you also might notice Spike the bee. He's part of the pollination scavenger hunt, which we did for the first time last year, but we didn't get a video. We're gonna do the video this year. Aren't we, Zena?
Yep, because you know we like our scavenger hunts.
But it's not going to be in this video. Keep an eye out for it. One of the extras that we're showing you today is that we can get our annual pass holder Pluto magnet here in Mouse Gear. And also at Port of Entry in the World Showcase.
Yep.
And then also coming up will be the Daisy magnet, which starts on April 11th. So be sure to come twice to get both of your pass holder magnets. You're about to see the Pluto magnet ×2, but here's what the Daisy magnet's gonna look like also. Very, very cute. Two of these Super 6 that will be featured on the magnets that haven't been so far. Hey, check out these topiary flowers over here next to Mouse Gear. Beautiful. And over in front of the Innovations building, we have Tomater and Lightning McQueen. You may have heard of them from a little movie called Star Wars. And out here in front of Mission Space is Xena taking a picture of Stitch, who apparently is from outer space. Speaking of space, you're probably wondering about an update for the space restaurant that's going to go between Test Track and Mission Space, and also Guardians of the Galaxy over here. The update is that they're still building them. There's the space restaurant now. It kind of looks like the Roman Colosseum with all that scaffolding. Test Track. Buzz Lightyear. Zena was looking for me. I went to space with Buzz. Look at all the pretty flowers he brought with him. It's the backside of the Buzz and his crayons. Or is it crayons?
Crayons.
No, crayons.
Crayons.
Come on now.
Crayons.
Don't do me wrong like that. It's crayons.
Which is it, people? Crayons?
Let us know in the comments.
Or crayons. Oh, I can't even say that. Crayons.
A house
crayons.
Divided.
Vote crayons. 2020. Crayons.
Crayons. Hashtag crayons. Here's Buzz's great pal Woody. Look at those boots and spurs. And guess who's with him? Bo Peep. And her sheep. So cute. Yes, you heard it from me. And an ad for Toy Story 4 in theaters summer 2019. By the way, folks, if you haven't ever visited this playground area for the kids out back of Mouse Gear where all of this stuff is, it is phenomenal looking. Just behind Woody, Bo Peep, and her sheep, we have these letter blocks that say Ma.
Like in the movie Toy Story 1 when Mr. Potato Head has wrangled up Bo Peep's sheep and they're saying, "Help! Ah, help us! Oh no, not my sheep!"
Hey, let's check out this merch. Awesome festival shirt.
They have some merch with Spike. Look how cute that is.
That is awesome. We love Spike. By the way, we have seen a couple of the Spike the Bee pollination scavenger hunt placements along our travels.
You know where two of them are.
But we have these ears, of course, that you've probably never heard of. Of course you have. Our odyssey to the Odyssey is over, and now off to Future World West. Holy moly, on the way over, it is big ol' Goofmeister. And on the other side, Pluto with all of his doggy bones and his big old infectious smile. Here's one of the other main residents of honor here at the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival. It is Figment with his beautiful purple flowers. And where is he? He's over in his Imagination Pavilion. Here's our little Figment at Park Hopping Mad. Here is not a topiary, but it is a couple of penguins made out of garbage. Here we are in the butterfly garden. We're gonna try to hunt down some butterflies. This is one of the other little extras of the festival. Here's one. Aw, Xena scared it. They're all collecting at the back on the net. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
There's a bunch.
Here's how butterflies become butterflies. Step 1. Step 2. Larvae, caterpillar, 10 to 14 days. Chrysalis, 10 to 14 days. Step 3. Step 4. Beautiful butterfly.